Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using the contact list in which we've got saved the number, or using the settings where we will be able to enter it manually. So let me begin with the contact list. Let's enter the contact, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got block numbers option, so just tap on it. Your device will obviously ask you if you really want to do it, because it will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick it and tap on block. And as you can see, from this moment, this number is blocked, so as it was said, you won't receive any calls or messages. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now I can show you the second option, the second way to block a number, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and this is probably this one is the number we just blocked from our contact list. And as I said at the very beginning of this video, here from this level we can add a number manually. So let's tap on add a number, and here we've got the place in which we can enter it on the keypad and tap on block, and as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. So it means that from now on, again, you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, which is quite cool, because after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it. So if you'd like to unblock the number, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.